Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So by the title of this video, yes, you guys have seen this title correctly. I'll be using all inexpensive, affordable, quality makeup in this video. So before we get started into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this video. Any video suggestions, if you guys would like to, drop them in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me in Twitter and in Instagram. So if you want to see how I create this beautiful look, just stay tuned and keep on watching. I'm just going to go down the line and show you guys all the products that I've used on my face today, and at the same time I'll leave the pricing on the screen to let you guys know how much each individual product retails for. Okay, so to prime and prep my skin, first I'll be going in with the Colourpop Ambient Crystal Setting Spray. So I'll definitely say this is like a skincare in a bottle. I've used that phrase before. So this contains amber crystal, vitamin C to brighten an even skin tone, green tea, white tea for nourishing, antioxidant, mayflower to fight breakouts, and peach fragrance for refreshing. So when you spray this in your face, it's like very tasty. It smells like peach and mangoes. You feel like you want to eat your face up. So I love this so much, and this is like super good. It's because you can use this to prep your skin, you can use this in between the day to freshen up, and you can use this as a setting spray. So okay, so for my foundation, I will be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation, and I got the shade in 335, which this is too orange for my skin because I do like to match my foundations to my chest area. It's like super orange, so I do have to mix a different foundation with this product, but they have like a very long and wide range, so you can get the shade that you want for your skin tone. And the reason why I love this foundation so much is like the best friend for oily combination skin. It makes your skin super flawless, it's super lightweight, and the coverage is amazing, guys. Okay, so for concealer will be the AGirl Pro Conceal, and I got the shade in a medium beige. This is an extremely good concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the AGirl Pro Conceal underneath my eye area and my forehead, my nose, and my chin, just to mix in with the foundation. And the other one I extremely love is the ELF HD Concealer, and this is like wow. And then I'll go in with the ELF concealer and just conceal my problem area, which is at my mouth area, and I'll just go ahead and blend that out. Okay, so for today I'll be going in with the AGirl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast and just doing my contour. And this part I will actually incorporate in the video of how I actually blend out my contour. Let's go and see like how I actually blend out my contour. Of course, I'll blend out my nose contour first because that is the less product on the face before we get our brush drenched with contour. Do the forehead. Try not to go overboard, so I like to flick upwards and try to leave it as light over there. And with cream products, it can be a little bit tricky. You can go a little bit overboard, and it just blends out and just melts into your foundation like really beautifully. That's the reason why I like the brand so much, and it has never failed me. When it came to any type of foundation, it doesn't remove my foundation. So I like to always flick my cream contour upwards, not downward. If you find that the contour has gone down a little too low, just go in with your foundation brush and just flick your foundation brush upwards, so that it will pick up any left over at the bottom and bring your contour up. I'm going to go in and set my entire face, and I will use the Makeup Revolution Luxurious Banana Powder, and this powder has never failed me. You get 42 grams of product in here, which is a lot of product. I've used this powder for functions, for photography. It has never given me a very nasty flashback. Nothing. This powder is just my best friend. Okay, so after setting the entire face, I'm gonna go straight into the eye area, which I'll be using on my eyes today will be the My Little Pony from Colourpop. Okay, so the very first shade I'm gonna pick up is called Sky Dancer, and this is the shade right here. I'm gonna take this shade and just put it all over the crease area. And we're also gonna bring it a little bit down to your lash line. I'm gonna pick up this shade over here, which is called Princess Sparkle. And this is like, it's not black, it's a very dark purple shade. So you wanna be really careful with this shade. Just put it at the outer crease area. So I'm going to pick up this shade called Star Shine. This shade, it's a little bit opaque without setting spray. So let's go ahead and just spray my brush. Oh, this is so much better. And then I will be picking this shade right here, which is called Firefly. And we're just going to use our fingers and just pop that in the center. Okay, so for eyeliner, I am going to use the e.l.f. cream eyeliner, and trust me guys, this cream eyeliner has never failed me. It's super creamy, it's super black. Trust me guys, you just cannot go wrong. I just can't go wrong with this e.l.f. cream eyeliner. Okay, and then moving on to brows. Till today, I'm loving this product, which is the Focallure eyebrow gel, and this is in the shade Ebony. As you can see, the product has been used. So this is my favorite eyebrow gel because I find that when I use this, it just like sets my eyebrows and I don't need to use a clear brow. So for my eyelashes, I won't be using any falsies today because I believe like some of you out there don't believe in false lashes or do not like them. So I'm not going to use any falsies today. I'm absolutely loving the NYX double stacked mascara. So you have to put on this first, followed by the nylon fiber lashes, and then this again, and then voila, you see the beauty guys. So moving on to contour, the Makeup Revolution contour palette. Your contour shades over here, you get 3 different types, and plus you get a shimmery bronzer over here, and then you get like a yellow powder, a very white powder, and a pearl highlighter over here. So it's like basically like all in one guys. I am just going to go in and just use this light shade over here for contour because a little bit of the contour is already coming out, so you just want to lay that up a little bit. Moving on to blush, I have the blush palette from the Makeup Revolution London, and this is in the shade Hot Spice. They do have another shade, but I got this one. So these are all the blush shade, and you get 2 highlighters. So this is a purple highlighter and this is like a pink highlighter. Let's pick up this shade. I'll just put it at the cheekbone, and they are really pigmented for the price guys. Highlighter, I have 2 types. I have one from Focallure, and this is the Beam Baked Highlighter in the shade Double Gleam, and I have the one from e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in the shade Moon Pearls. So I'm going to go in with the Focallure Beam Highlighter, and you see how beautiful that is. I'm going to pop a little bit of the e.l.f. highlighter right at the center of my because this is in the shade Moonlight Pearl, so it has that pearl. It's a pearl shade guys, but it has a little bit of gold. So when I turn, can you see that? And then it's like a really blinding highlight. Put on the nose, on the bridge of my nose. And then lastly, moving on to lipsticks, will be from a Makeup Revolution London and the brand Focallure. So for my lips, I will be going in with the Focallure lipstick in the shade Rose Taupe. This has been like my everyday go-to lipstick. I just carry this wherever I go, and I wear this lipstick like almost every day guys. It's just a beautiful color. I just can't get enough. Amazing. Okay, to set the entire face, I'm going in with the Colourpop Amber Crystal Setting Spray again and just set this face. So we are done guys. I truly hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know, have you tried this type of products before? Would you love to try them out? Do let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and in Twitter. Subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.